cows, they spend about half their time in these pens, about half the time out on. We can take them out and set up a solar setup with an electric fence. But these are really nice. At the end of the season, we'll pull all these T-posts out, and just like we are harvesting the manure from the cows under the barn, we'll come in and we'll scoop all of this, and it'll go into a pile, and that'll get mixed in with the chicken manure as well as the cow manure, and all three of those break down for a year in the barnyard, and then get brought up to the garden. So part of it's about containment, and also part of it's about capturing some of that really valuable material that they'll leave behind, mixed in with bedding, and then this next plot that we'll go, we just broadcast squash seeds, and we were able to take advantage of all that fertility directly, and grow a round of squash that doubled as a cover crop and produced food. Hey, buddy. Hey.
I'm sorry I missed that about the squash. Where is it?
It's the next.